Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how you can buy a web hosting from Hostinger. So inside the Hostinger you will get more than 80% discount for 4 years when you will buy a hosting from Hostinger, and you need to pay them more than $120 to get the 4 years hosting, and also you will get lot of features inside there. So I'm gonna change my hosting from Bluehost to Hostinger. So I just show you how you can buy that. This is the time you need to buy the hosting from this time, because you will get lot of discount on there. So I'm gonna show you step by step how you can do that. The first thing, you need to click the link inside the video description, then you are able to see this one page. Inside this one page you need to see Black Friday and up to 80% discount of 4 years. This is the price. You need to click to claim deal. Once you do that, then you are able to see you will get unlimited traffic. 100 website means you will add more than 100 domains inside the hosting. You will get 100 SSD storage. You will save bunch of files inside your hosting, and also you will get many features on there, like a free SSL certificate, free domain, free email, and many other things. So I'm going to buy this one hosting. And also another thing is very important. When you will remove the hosting, you need to pay them $6.99, means $7. This time you need to pay them $2.49. If you want to check out the more details, you need to check it now on there, right? So I'm gonna get that. So I click to add to cart, and then you need to wait. So I'm gonna select the 48 month, and inside there you need to pay them different payment method, like a credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, and QuickCard. And another thing is you need to enter the email on this one input field. So I'm going to add my email on there. And once you add the email, then you need to select the payment method, which payment method you will use to buy the hosting, right? So I'm gonna add my personal information on there, and then I'm gonna show you another process. So you need to wait, then I'm gonna show you another process. So guys, I have entered my personal information on there. I just hidden them because I don't need to show them, and click to submit secure payment, and then you need to wait a couple of seconds. Then you will get the hosting, and wait a couple of seconds. So I think everything is perfect on there. Just a minute, I need to add my passcode on there, so just a minute. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add my passcode on there, so and click to submit, and I think never, and we need to wait. Then we will get the hosting as well from Hostinger, guys, redirecting to the control panel. So we need to wait a couple of seconds. Now guys, we are able to see our hosting, and we need to enter the password. So I'm going to show you how you can add the password, a strong password. So you need to go to google.com and use the password generator, because you will use them random password generator. So you need to add this one sign, right, and very strong. You need to add more than 25 characters and copy it, right? But you need to enter, so I'm gonna add, you need to enter the details on there. So I just show you how you can do that. I'm using this one method. So once you get the random password, so then you need to enter your own words inside there, right? So I'm gonna add my own words, and like this one. So I will hide them. I just show you. So you need to copy that and go to the panel, paste on there, right? And also you need to save this one file because this is very important to you. So I'm gonna save this in my desktop and like details, right? So this is my password, so I'm gonna close that and click to confirm, and we are able to see our hosting is ready now. So who are you creating the website for? So I'm creating my own website. I just skip this one process, I don't need that. And this is another option. If you want to create a website, so you need to click select now. You will able to create a website using WordPress, but I will migrate them, but this time I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm going to select the create a website, not WordPress, and this is my personal email, and we need to add the password, but I'll leave the everything, and also I will get the email from Hostinger. We need to activate the account. So just a minute, I'm gonna log in my account, hosting account. Guys, I have verified my account from my email, and I am able to see the same thing like create or migrate your website. I have a personal mini website. So if you want to create a website, you need to click on create now, but I'm gonna migrate that. So I'm gonna select this one, and we need to face the problem on there because I don't need to migrate the website on this time. I just show you how you can do that, right? So I just show you how you can buy the hosting, but I'm gonna leave this one. So I'm gonna check my main panel and I will upgrade that on later. So this is my Hostinger main panel account, and this is my premium web hosting details and the domains. This time I don't have any domain on there, so I'm gonna get the domain on there. And this is a SSL certificate, right? And this is a billing system that I have paid them on this time, and everything is the same on there. So claim your free domain. So I'm gonna claim the free domain. I'm gonna show you. So .com, I'm gonna select any one domain like the knowledge, and check availability, and this is available. So I'm gonna thinking which domain I will get that. So guys, I have found the domain like the hubtweets.com. So we don't need to pay them anything else inside there. We just need to claim domain now, and we are able to use this one domain as well on the hosting. So this is a very simple process. So select the primary details. So I'm gonna add my personal information on there. So just a minute, and I'm a personal next step, and the next step we need to add another information, and this is my personal information. I need to add the information on there. Okay, we need to add, and this is my personal information, guys. And click to finish registration. Then you are able to see your domain is registered. credit exceeded. Why? Okay, I just need to check that why. Okay, I think something is wrong on there because select your domain. I'm gonna add and right, and we need to add the city like city. Just a minute, I'm gonna add my personal information guys on there. So guys, I have entered my personal information another time and click to finish registration. Now I think something is wrong on there. You just need to use this way because I don't know why I am facing this one problem on there. So that is why guys, you are able to use, as you can see, we are able to use the domain on there. So this is a very simple way to get the hosting from Hostinger, and you will able to use that on your personal project inside there. I'm going to show you how you can upload a mini website on there on later. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.